Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Chime Bank based on hands-on experience as a customer. I'll provide an in-depth look at Chime's pros, cons, savings, and unique features. I'm also going to be mentioning how they compare to leading competitors like Sofi and more in 2023. So Chime is an online-only financial technology company providing fee-free banking services primarily through mobile apps. They offer robust spending and savings accounts with some standout features, but they lag behind in interest earnings. So for getting started, opening a free Chime spending account or savings account is quick and easy through their website or iOS or Android apps. You're gonna need to provide personal details and link an external bank account to transfer funds. And now I'm gonna be talking about Chime Spending Account Review. Chime's spending account operates much like a free checking account with the following benefits. You can have early direct deposit, which allows access to your paycheck up to 2 days faster depending on employer processing. So for example, if your company payroll date is every other Friday, you may get paid as early as Wednesday with Chime. Spot Me Overdraft Protection covers you fee-free up to $200 if you accidentally overspend. No interest or fees, but you need to deposit funds to return to positive. Chime's mobile app and web interface are extremely intuitive. All features and menus are beautifully designed and easy to navigate. This is a huge advantage over clunky traditional bank apps. Pay Friends allows you to instantly send money to anyone using just their phone number or email, even if they are not a Chime member. Transfers arrive to recipient accounts within minutes. The one major drawback is that the spending account does not earn any interest, unlike some competitors that offer up to 2% on checking balances. Chime's savings account offers a baseline interest rate of 2% APY as of January 2023. While helping automatic saving features are included, the earnings rate falls short of competitors. Autosave automatically transfers 10% of your direct deposits from spending to savings so that it helps you consistently build your savings. Roundups rounds up every debit card purchase to the nearest dollar, depositing the spare change from each transaction into savings. Two useful automated saving tools, but the 2% APY trails well behind online banks like Sofi now paying 3.75% and others over 4%. You also have no ability to create separate sub-savings for different individual goals. Your savings is just one bucket. So as a comparison, one of my favorite online banks is Sofi providing both robust checking and savings. Sofi pays 3.75% APY on savings with direct deposit enabled. That's nearly double Chime's 2% savings rate. Sofi checking offers a 2.5% APY if you set up direct deposit, whereas Chime checking pays no interest. Sofi allows you to open multiple sub-savings accounts within your main money account for separate goals like vacation, gifts, or your car, etc. And Chime lacks this feature. They both offer early direct deposit, mobile check deposit, fee-free ATM access, but Sofi has considerably higher interest earnings. So overall, Chime remains a very solid modern online bank in 2023 thanks to user-friendly apps, the lack of fees, and unique cash deposit options. However, their savings and checking interest rates fall noticeably short of leading competitors. I hope that this Chime Bank review for 2023 has summarized their pros and cons, savings and spending account, and other key features. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'll be happily answering them in the comment section down below. And if you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.